Hi, my beautiful family. I want to day to get again QMT TV. Guys, you see this headwrap, this turban that we are about to do now? Guys, it's very simple to grab. Very simple to grab. And you can see how beautiful it is. So I'm just trying to tie the back. You make the length equal. Make the length equal. So then we are going to lay the second color, which is cool green. You can see the color is green. So we're going to tie it the same way we did this first one. Same way we did the first one. Guys, don't forget to share. Don't forget to share. Please always share. Always share, guys. So I'm going to tie it the same way I tie the first one. So you can see that we leave space. So look at the front that we leave the first one that I first tied. I just leave the little space at the front so that the one under we appear at top. So guys, now after tying the next thing to do now, guys, continue watching. So the next thing to do is to gather the hand at the back. I'm going to gather the hand. You can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to leave one hand, you see now, and gather the remaining three. You know it will be four. Yes. The first one when I tie it is two, the second one is two. So I gather three and left one hand. So this is how we'll be doing it. We're going to twist this like we are doing a braid. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm doing it as if I'm doing braid. So very simple. You can see what I'm checking. I'm trying to check the front of the head wrap. So this is what I'm trying to check. So guys, that is how we will do it. That's how we will do it. So I just want to check where it reach. That's why I'm placing it there. So as for me, as I'm doing this thing, I prefer using the second place, the second side. So I later put it in second side. You will see it now, because you know now when you are wrapping gele on your head by yourself, there's no how your hand will not be paining you. So that is just it. So you can see that I've changed the hand here. So we're going to use rubber band to band that place so that it won't lose back. So I've tied it. After tying it, next thing is to place it up on top of the gele. So I'm trying to adjust it very well. So guys, that place I'm holding, I'm going to use pin to pin that place down. Yes, going to use pin to pin that place down. So I'm trying to adjust the back very well. Now let's use pin to pin that place so that it will not be falling down. So I'm trying to pin it. When you are pinning that place, try to be careful, don't injure yourself. So now I've pinned it down. So I'm going to pick the leftover hand that we left before. So we're going to take it, then raise it up and use it to cover. You can see how I'm doing it. Yeah, that's how I'm doing it. We're going to use it to cover the one we pin down. Yeah, so what I'm trying to do here is that I'm trying to bring out a little step, to get little steps. That is what I'm trying to do here. So you can use any different color of your choice of that scarf. You can use any different color. So guys, that place, you're going to pin that place down as well. Going to pin it down. Going to pin it down. Very, very simple to get. You can see. So I've pinned it down. I've pinned it down. So you see that hand I'm holding, I'm going to sock it at the back. Going to sock it. So going to sock it. I'm trying to sock it there. Trying to sock it there. So now see how it look like now. So that place we're going to try to stretch it little. You see. Wow, so lovely, and beautiful. Wow. So guys, you can just do it like this and go to any occasion. Yeah. So guys, can you see that it's not hard? You can see that it's not hard at all. So let's look at the back. So see the back, guys. See the back. So I later change the style anyone you want. You can see that it appeared on the picture there. So I later change. I put this thing to